Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Wyze Cam V4 for outdoor alerts and schedules, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by unpacking your Wyze Cam V4 and ensuring all components are present. Locate the power adapter and USB cable that came with the camera. Choose a suitable outdoor location for the Wyze Cam V4. Make sure the area has a good Wi-Fi signal for optimal performance. Using the mounting template, mark the spot where you will install the camera. Drill holes for the mounting screws in the designated spots. Attach the included mounting bracket to the wall using the screws provided. Secure the Wyze Cam V4 to the bracket until it clicks into place. Connect the USB cable to the power adapter. Plug the power adapter into an outdoor electrical outlet. On your smartphone, download and open the Wyze app from the App Store or Google Play. Sign in to your Wyze account or create a new one if necessary. Tap on the plus icon in the top left corner to add a device. Select camera from the list of available devices. Follow the on-screen instructions to put the Wyze Cam V4 into setup mode. You will hear a voice prompt when the camera is in setup mode. Connect your smartphone to the camera by selecting the camera's Wi-Fi network. Once connected, return to the Wyze app. Choose your home Wi-Fi network and enter your Wi-Fi password. Wait for the camera to connect to your Wi-Fi network. Once connected, give your camera a name for easy identification. After setup is complete, go to the device settings of your Wyze Cam V4. Scroll down to the notifications section to enable outdoor alerts. Adjust the motion detection settings according to your preference. You can configure specific areas for motion detection to reduce false alerts. To set up schedules, return to the main device settings. Select scheduled recording and then set your desired start and end times. You can choose to record continuously during the specified times or only when motion is detected. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.